Anola.io – passive earnings on the internet on cryptocurrency. All people in one way or another seek to change their lives for the better. Many are not satisfied with their current job, as well as the prospect of working all their lives to feed themselves. Many people think about buying new gadgets, traveling the world, buying a new car, but money is never enough. And while financial independence is just your dream, what to do? If you do not have the opportunity to engage in full-time business, you can try to earn money on the internet. Of course, all ways of making money without investing, almost 100% complete crap. To get money, you have to invest it somewhere first, don't you? Making money on the internet with investments is the way to normal income, but where to invest so as not to screw up, not to get scammers, and accurately multiply their savings. How not to be afraid for their investments. One of the easiest ways to make this kind of money is passive income on cryptocurrency. Yes, there is the easiest option. It is to invest on the same bitcoins on a long-term basis and wait for their coveted access. But this option has a significant disadvantage, and this disadvantage is in your head. A lot of people bought bitcoins back in 2017, but how many had the patience not to dump them or sell them on the cheap in the bear market? Are you ready for a possible 3 to 4 years of crypto bear market? What if Bitcoin falls for 3 or 4 years? Making money from cryptocurrency is quite a complicated business. Remember that most people are weak psychologically. Yes, in the bull market of 2021 we all kings. But what do you say if crypto starts to fall further? What do you say at 5,000 per Bitcoin? It will be incredibly hard, and there is a 90% chance that you will dump your cryptocurrency holdings at the cheapest prices at the first massive dip correction. Not everyone will figure out how to invest in cryptocurrencies. What to do then? There is an option of passive investing in projects that can bring you returns at a distance. Today we want to remind you about the Anola project. In short, there is a project that allows you to invest in a portfolio of trading robots. Anola is an investment project that allows you to generate passive income online. Trading algorithms are the future of the market, which is already coming. Already today, about 90% of all deals are made using algorithms. This tool is able to bring its owners billions of dollars per month, working without a break for food or sleep, and most importantly, without a psychological breakdown. Without breaking down, without losing assets at throwaway prices, and without buying an emotion at the top of the market. The Anola trading algorithm is a really smart way to earn money. For more information on the project Anola, you can see on our previous videos. The links will be in the description. How much can I earn by investing with the Anola project? About a month ago, we invested $1,500 in the Anola project. Let's summarize the results of our investment. For the past period, we have received a profit on our deposit of $536. Now on the screen you can see our financial report on investment with Anola. You can see all the withdrawals with different amounts, from $42 to $168. As you can see, it's quite an excellent passive income, and in addition the project regularly and quickly withdraws money earned on investments. So we do not even think about where to invest money anymore. Right now we are investing another $1,500, thereby increasing our daily income to $20. In our opinion, this is a great passive income with this kind of investment. But it's not all. With Anola, there is opportunity to earn partner program for those who do not have their own startup capital. Anola is ready to pay its partners as much as 8% of the deposited capital. It is a lot for such affiliate programs, and it sets Anola apart from others. It is also interesting that the project already supports cryptocurrencies, in particular ADA, Cardano. You can always simply enough switch from another cryptocurrency to Cardano and request a withdrawal in that cryptocurrency. This is done in your personal account. Thanks to this, you will be able to have a deposit in one of the most promising and modern currencies, with its own high-tech and fast blockchain. All in all, given the very real possibility of a tough bear market, Anola will be the best choice for both experienced cryptocurrency players and newcomers. Beginners can start with a quite affordable investment of $35, which is a very small amount, one trip to the supermarket. In a bear market, Anola will help you not only save money, but earn money too. Anola is a great chance for crypto investors from El Salvador, Argentina, Australia and Venezuela, and especially El Salvador, because cryptocurrencies are already legalized there, and you can without any problems completely officially start earning passive income in your favorite coins. Anola is your best defense against the bear market. Making money with Anola is not that hard, you just have to start.